Antonio Villaganas Manggubat, Marina Guangco Biloy, and Brother Alfredo Patigas Mitante, and Sister Gloria Villaflor Baclor, Brother Ricardo Timaano Sabanal, and Rhea Haril Briones Abo, and Oliver Laranjo Lembano, and Maryphil Ribuyas Acosalem. You have taken one another by the right hand in token of the vows. You will now enter into the presence of God and these witnesses. Arlo Mahilom Lozano, do you receive Rosalie Mahinay Flores, Antonio Villaganas Manggubat, do you receive Marina Guangco Biloy, Alfredo Patigas Mitante, do you receive Gloria Villaflor Baclor, Ricardo Dimaano Sabanal, do you receive Rhea Harel Briones Abong, and Oliver Laranjo Lembaro, do you receive Mariel Ribuya Sacosalem as your lawfully wedded wife, and will you of your own free will and choice solemnly promise as her companion and lawfully wedded husband, do you will cleave unto her and none else, that you will observe all the laws, responsibilities, and obligations pertaining to the holy state of matrimony, and do you will love, honor, and cherish her as long as you both shall live? Answer. Duway ka na?
Amay.
Ano tayo isabat? Duway ko kapatid. Lalaki na.
Lalaki na. Oh.
Yes, I do. Okay. Diba? Tungan mo rin? 1, 2, 3. Oh, na yan.
Ah.
So, babae naman.